Hey folks, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, which is a scientific society by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India is hiring for a total of 46 positions consisting of different roles through their drive. You can join our Telegram channel or check our website for more updates on active jobs, internships and scholarships. They are looking for bright and result-oriented candidates for different positions for the short-term projects, which will be on a contract basis for an initial period of 1 year, which can be extended later on. They have opening for freshers as well as for folks who have some experience. First, let us look at some of the openings for freshers. The first position is of a project engineer and the number of available posts are 6. You can read the skill set and the job profile on your screen. To apply for this role, you need to have a BTech or BE in CS, IT, Electronics or Telecommunication with a GPA of more than 6.5. The CTC for this role varies between 4.5 lakhs per annum to 7.7 lakhs per annum. The second role is also of a project engineer, but this time it is in analysis of mobile applications department. Available positions are 6 and the students from BE, BTech, MCA with CS, IT, Electronics or Computer Application degree are eligible. You can see the skill set and the job profile on the screen. The CTC for this role lies between 4.5 lakhs to 9.7 lakhs per annum. The third opening is for the Multimedia Project Management Department. Students from BE or BTech as their degree with multimedia or equivalent degree with an GPA of more than 6.5 can apply for this role. The skill set and the job profile is there on your screen and the base pay for this role is around 4.5 lakhs per annum. Now let's have a look at some of the openings for students who have some experience. There are a lot of openings available for you, starting with project engineer role, for which you need to have at least 2 years of post-qualification experience with BE, BTech, NCS, IT, Electronics and Telecommunications. The skill set and the job profile is on your screen and the annual CTC for this role is around 4.5 lakhs to 7.7 lakhs per annum. The next role is of a project engineer working on project related to IoT. Minimum experience required for this role is of 1 year. The annual CTC is same and the skill set and the job profile is available on your screen to read. There are 5 more project engineer roles related to blockchain, scripting, security, deployment, C# and .NET. The annual CTC for each of the roles will be more than 4.5 lakhs per annum, and to apply for these roles you need to have 0 to 4 years of experience. There are 2 more active roles related to project officer in security and purchase fields, where you need to have an MBA or equivalent degree with more than 3 years of experience of post-graduation. The roles and the skills for each of the degree differ and the annual pay for both of the role is more than 4.5 lakhs per annum each. The last date to apply for all of these roles is May 24th. If you fall under the eligibility criteria, then you will be invited for a written test or an interview by them. Each of the role mentions its specific education requirements. It is clearly mentioned that pass out candidates are only allowed to apply. You can find the link to more info and applications in the description, so make sure to check it out and apply.